good thing. It comes with kit photo essentials. So it includes a fiber cloth and moving fingerprints, a cotton swab, and cleaning fluid. It's this thing, and then a dust blower remover, a 2-in-1 cleaning solution, and cleaning brush. So I'm guessing it's like these little things right here. 3-piece customizable screen protector kit with squeezy for smooth application. My memory card wallet. It's this thing, which is kind of great. A memory card, SD card reader / writer, and a mini tripod. It's this little one, and this is a little USB thing you can just see. And this is kind of cool and handy. It also comes with its own tripod. I actually saw the other one that had like purple and black, which I kind of liked. But when I was looking for it, like to buy it, I couldn't find it. So I got this other one, which was almost like the same price. So it's not that bad. This is a digital camera battery. This is like, it came with an extra battery, so it's kind of handy too. And here's the good part. This is the Canyon PowerCharge G7X Mark II, and it's really nice. Let's see how it is. Guys, I'm so excited. Like, I've been wanting this, and I've been trying to record this video for a long time, like ever since I got the ship, and I was really excited. But then all this things with the virus been going on, and then like I've been cleaning the house and everything in my room, so I've been kind of like busy. But hopefully uploading this soon. So it comes with the charger. You can see a manual, which I'm just gonna look at it and see everything. It comes so safely packed, protected. It's a little baby now. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so cute. So there it is. Comes with a little screen, so I can like see myself. That's so cool. And like you can flip it and look at it, and then a little button here to turn it on, which I'm pretty sure. And then this is like, I guess, for the batteries. And like right here you can put the SIM card, so it's kind of nice. Okay, got a little kid. Here's for the thing, like you can have it so you can like hold it on your wrist and stuff. Kind of nice. This is like for the flash right here. Ooh, so you can take pictures and flash it. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, guys, I love it. I'm so excited to start recording. And then comes with this little wrist holder, so it's like this. So let's open it. It's all black, so it's kind of nice. You guys can see. I'm kind of wearing black too. So weird. So that's pretty nice. That's really sweet, cute. I love it. Okay, so that's that. You guys, I'm so excited to start using this camera. I've been wanting one. Like, I actually have another one, but I was like damaged, so I couldn't record on it. This is the battery charger, so I can charge and stuff. And this is the other battery it comes with. You can see it. So I'm actually gonna start charging this one, so then I can start using this, you know, and record some stuff on it, and you guys tell me what you guys think about it, and if anything you guys want to see besides this video and other videos. I know someone commented and told me to do a makeup tutorial, which I'm actually gonna do. I was actually waiting for this to come on the mail just so I can start recording some really good ass videos. So yes, and since like my extension cord is really long and and I have like this little table next to my bed where I charge my phone. I have like my charging station. Okay, so I just put the little battery to charge so I can put it in on the camera, which I have it right here. And this is the kit, so let's get into it. If I can open it, like, I don't want to open. There we go. So here it is. Let's see. It comes. Here's the squeezy blow duster. The other universal lens cap keeper. Cool. This is the USB wallet. Yeah, the memory card wallet. Yeah. And actually, this is the little memory card. It says 64 gigabytes, which is pretty nice. So I have that, and then these are the little 3 pieces customized screen protector kit thing. So that's that. This is a little this is the kind wrap. And the clean new ones. That's that. This is the little cases for the memory card, which I actually have a couple of them, so I can put them in here now, which is kind of great. The small tripod, it's really pretty. It's like really flexible too, and like you can move it, which is nice. The little so this is a little like dust thing. Like you can see how the fibers and stuff into a pen, and then it has the little liquid spray. This is the other liquid spray. You can see it. Pretty nice. And finally, from the least, here it is. And then that is the solution of smooth application, memory card wallet, SDR card reader and writer. Yep. I don't think I'm missing anything in my no. And obviously the extra battery that I have in here, it won't open anything. My luck. Great. There you go. Today I'm having troubles. There it is. Opening things. So that's this. I'm just gonna put it all in here again, so I don't gotta lose anything. Yeah. Everything is in here. And gonna put this out. Oh god. So that's this little kit in here, which is comes in handy. And now we'll close extra battery, and then so this is the little hole, or I'm gonna like put it in, but I'm gonna wait. And then here it is. The case, which I'm actually gonna use it. It's really nice. I'm gonna use it in case like I travel. And you know, I'm cleaning. It's so nice. It's like so good. I have a thing just to put like maybe like the spray or the blister, which is really pretty. And yeah, here's the little hanger. Put it there. It's so nice, and it comes with like a little bag holder, like the little like safety holder right here. So I could just put it in here. It's protected. And it protects it like that. So that's that. I'm just gonna put this here. I'm just gonna wait for it to charge and try it on the camera and see how it goes. So that's good. This camera, it's a Canyon EOS Rebel T16. It is also for pictures. I have taken multiple pictures, really, and I did my senior pics on this one too. Some of them. Also like some party pictures and stuff, and it has like zoom, really zoom in, zoom out, and like ignore the back. I saw like organizing everything and cleaning, and I'm like all bad. Oh, I got another one of these, so I have to like move some of them like from here, because I have like, this is mine and the other one is like my mom, and she just has it here. But yeah, organize that and organize a couple things and all these stuff. So yeah, and I have the have all this stuff going here, and I have like my lotions also getting fixed. Then I have this little table next to my bed where I have charging my new camera. See that? And There it goes. So that's like the second replaceable battery. So, yeah. So tell me how you think about this camera and the quality of this camera, and I'm gonna also try the other camera to see how it takes the videos and if it's good, or I just like overall just like how the lighting is really nice on this camera. Like it just focuses on you, and then the lighting helps so much, and it just gives you a clear image. So I really like that one. It wasn't that expensive as well, I mean it was kind of pricey, but it wasn't as expensive as I thought. Honestly, I'm just trying to test it out and see how it is. How do you guys like it? You can guys tell me how you like, if you guys like this one or the other one. I actually recorded myself with the other one, if you guys saw in the beginning, with that one, and I'm just trying this one. So you guys let me know how you guys like it. Give it a thumbs up. Any comments, tell me anything you want to know about this camera, all the functions it has, what other videos you want me to do. I know there's one of someone commented and told me to do a makeup video, which I'm coming and do that soon, so that's one coming up. And also during the quarantine I've been cleaning so much my room, so that video is coming up too, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye guys.